this video will show you how to publish Lovable AI app. So first of all, let's create a simple app for this video tutorial. For example, I will create mobile calculator. Let's send this prompt. So as you can see, guys, we just created a simple calculator app. Now, if you want to publish your app, you need to click publish in the top right, then click continue. So let's make it public, click on continue again. You can enter the description and etc. Then click continue again and click on publish. So that's how you can publish your app. And if you want to put your app on Google Play Store or iOS App Store, I'll show you what you need to do. So as you can see, our app is published. We can view our app. This is our app address. So let's copy this address. We will use it. Now let's go to this website, which is called median.co. Enter the address and click on build your app. Now you need to enter the name, enter your email address, click start building my app. Then you need to wait a few seconds until this green line goes to the end. Scroll a little bit down and click on download, and right here you can download IPA file for the iOS to put on App Store, or you can download the AAB file to put it on the Google Play Store. Just click the build button and then download button. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.